We're slow. Okay. Let's go. Can we get
Hold
up?
this tree here. We'll just meander over to the side.
Okay.
Don't lean either way.
Okay.
We'll just spin us around.
All right.
We'll just wallow in here, and we officially didn't swim if we're lucky.
Okay. Woo! Oh, man. What did you do?
I'm underwater, Mom.
I know you're underwater. Where can we... How can we jump? Can we go back a little bit?
Yeah, we'll just slide down this side and find a solid spot, I guess.
Here. Yeah, I think right there.
Let go.
Yeah, we are definitely underwater. Okay, let's see. Can we get over right there?
No, I can't. Get below it.
Alright, there's no other place. We could have used more. Well, start bailing.
No, Sarah, let go and let me go down further. That's it.
Okay.
Here, go down. Any chance you can stay?
It's going to be... Ah, get my paddle! It's going to be really deep.
That's shallow enough that you can stand up and hold the boat.
I don't know. I think if I can get on this rock over here. There we go.
Okay.
Woo! Wow! Wow!
I think the camera's still running too. That's
Oh! Oh, I'm going to turn it off.